How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the cockpit. Mike here. Today we're heading back home. Just dropped Mom and Pop off and heading back to Atlanta, Georgia. Wouldn't be long here, so don't mind me. I need to fly the airplane. Hope you enjoy the flight. Plantation traffic, November 661 Mike Golf is taking runway 23, departing to the northwest. Salvation out, Plantation. Alright. Airspeed's alive. We got green. All green. Let's go. Bye. Plantation traffic, 661 Mike Golf is upwind runway 23, climb.
Plantation traffic, Cessna 95640, back taxi, runway 23 for departure.
Alright, climb, flaps up. Plantation traffic, 661 Mike Golf, 1000, turning right crosswind to the northwest, Plantation.
Bamberg traffic, Skyhawk 730 Yankee X-ray, 5 miles northwest, and enter right now, runway 23 Bamberg.
Alright, get on screen here.
Plantation traffic, Cessna 95640, departing runway 23, VFR to the south.
Plantation traffic, 661 Mike Golf is now 1,800 climbing northwest of the airport, Plantation. Gonna fly low today because the higher we go, the more headwind we will have. So we'll keep it at 3.5 all the way.
Plantation traffic, Cessna 95640, turning left cross from runway 23, Plantation.
Alright, let's get our autopilot in there. Altitude. Big center calling a little bit.
Dalton Zach last is on about a 2-mile final for 27. Dalton Zach.
Center grab on November 661 Mike Golf request.
Center Jetlink 68260, descending 240.
Jetlink 68, Jackson, should have maintained for level 230.
230, Jetlink 68.
Number 661 Mike Golf, Augusta approach altimeter 29907, say request.
2997, I'd like to request a flight following to Kilo Lima Zulu uniform, 3,500, and airplane make and model, Sierra Lima Golf 4.
Number 661 Mike Golf, squawk 5205.
52051 Mike Golf. We are flying out here today.
Hotel down to the airport.
Came here early.
Roger, stand by for that.
Thank
you. Number 265 Hotel, contact Atlanta Sierra 128.1, good day.
28.1, 265 Hotel.
Yeah, so we're heading back to Atlanta, Georgia now. Just came to drop off some family members, and we have headwind going this way, so and that's why I'm also flying lower. I'm at 3,500 right now. 76% power, about 36 inch manifold pressure, and we're doing 140 true and 112 ground speed, 112 knots. So we've got about an hour and 6 minutes.
Number 661 Mike Golf, your radar contact about 6 miles southeast of the Millen Airport, show you at 3,500.
Confirm it, 1 Mike Golf at 3,500. It's fairly warmer out today, but you know the airplane still performs well, but it's just warmer in here. I've got both vents on right now, so I should have just wore a short sleeve shirt. Other than that, beautiful views. We do have some clouds above around 6,000, 7,000 feet. Coming in, flew above them, but since it doesn't make any sense to go high because of what the wind is doing, so we're going to stay low, and hopefully we'll just stay below the clouds all the way to Atlanta. So you guys stay tuned. Under the clouds, so thermals here.
Alright, here Bravo. The further west you go, the worse our radios might get with each other. If you lose radio communications with me in 5 miles, 30 miles, correction, 35 miles. Next center is going to be Atlanta approach on 132.47, 3247.
Alright, 35 miles, I lose you, 3247, Bravo.
If you watch the flight coming here, we were doing 172, 173 knots, and only burning 7.7 gallons of fuel in the plane. It's amazing some of this, like real world numbers, because sometimes when I talk about them or I post them, you know, some folks don't believe, but this plane is it's amazing sometimes. The numbers amazes me sometimes. So we're doing close to 200 miles per hour and burning less than 8 gallons of fuel. It's crazy. And I get different questions also through Lookup Aviation, you know, some of the features of the Sling TSi. Other than the fact that a lot of you have already seen videos of this plane and you've clearly seen me fly it, I feel like you have to fly it yourself or be around it to really see the true value of everything that I talk about when it comes to this particular plane. And right now, one of the, what I would say, downside is that there's a lot of demand for this airplane, and because of logistics as far as COVID, it's put a delay on you know, shipment and things like that. But right now, for example, if you were to purchase the kit for a Sling TSi, you're looking at 6 months to 8 months out. Obviously, you know, I deal and sell this plane at Aviation, and what we do at our shop is we don't try to, you know, chew more or bite more than we can chew. So we only sell these planes. Hold on one second. I'll turn the autopilot off for a minute. We only sell these planes, you know, based on slots available. So for example, basically we purchase these planes out of pocket. We purchase the kit, that way we can at least shock absorb.
And Bonanza calling on the ground,
you know,
the 927 Mike Whiskey.
The wait time for the client. And that's what we've been doing. And right now for 2022, we only have 3 slots left. So I know for few buyers who had reached out,
Mike Whiskey, Augusta approach.
we had one slot that was left for last year, or well, this year. I mean, whenever you watch this video, and I announced it, and you know, we had quite a few bit of people who were interested, but then that thing was sold within a week. But that's my point, is that if you've really been thinking about getting into a Sling TSi, you don't want to kill time waiting, because the longer you wait also means the longer we have to wait to get your kit in. So if there's a kit available, obviously I would announce it if we have one that's available. But right now we do have 3 slots left for the entire year, and if you want to get it, just reach out. You can reach out directly to me at mike@lookupaviation.com, or just call us through our number, and we can help you out that way. But don't take forever, because they're gonna be gone. And as we keep underneath the clouds here, I want to be above them. That's what I should do.
2410 Mike Bravo, level we at 4,500.
Getting up there is just going to slow me
Mike
down,
Bravo, Augusta approach, Augusta altimeter 2997.
which I don't like.
2997 Mike Bravo.
But anyway, hope you all keep watching, enjoy the flight, and I'll catch you in a little bit once we're closer to Atlanta.
Augusta altimeter 2997.
I'll keep you posted.